show you how to make unlock these play handcuffs with only a paper clip. You're going to need our pliers and a wire cutter. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut it right here, like right before the other loop. So when you cut it, it should look like a J. And then you're going to cut it about half a centimeter away from right here, right there. And then I want to, so I have these locked. And reminding you guys, these are play handcuffs.
This will not work on real handcuffs. So,
hold on, I did it wrong. I'm gonna put
what
it in.
you will do,
You're gonna want to make sure you put in the end with only that little.
with only a half a centimeter.
Put in the end that doesn't have the really long wire. So, oh gosh, I think I just got the key. There. So you see how that's just little and this is long? Put in the little side. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it right after the little, there's a little piece of plastic in there. You want to, right? It's right here.
Yeah.
And what you're going to want to do is you're going to put it right behind it and push. See that?
And push.
And you can just.
And that will unlock your
handcuffs.
Then unlock your handcuffs. That was all for today.